Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to view those who like you on Tinder without actually having to pay for Tinder Gold. Well, one of the ways to do so is by downloading extensions on Google Chrome. So, you will have to use Tinder on on your computer rather, which you can do by going to do Tinder.com because usually we use Tinder on our phones. But for this to work, for these two methods to work, you're gonna have to go to Google.com through your PC. So this one is an extension. It's called TNDR or Tinder Likes Unblur for Tinder. So it's an extension that you can add to your Chrome right here. All you have to do is to go to your Tinder account, log in, and then go to the like section. And then once you're there, it will automatically unblur. If it doesn't unblur, just give it a second or just refresh it and you're good to go. And that's it. No need to pay for anything. You just need to download and to add it to your Chrome. And it's been reviewed already and trusted. It got a rating of 4.8 out of 5. And for the next method, it's called Tinder the Blur. You can download a script right here on GitHub. So if you're not familiar with GitHub, uh there are a lot of things you can download online through GitHub. Mostly user script like this. So when you download this, automatically you will be downloading Violent Monkey, Tamper Monkey, and Grease Monkey. Now just install the script and follow these instructions. And then once you use Tinder automatically, if as long as you follow these instructions, automatically it will deblur those who like you on Tinder. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guide.